When winter was brawling o'er high hills and mountains, and dark were the clouds o'er the deep rolling sea, I spied a wee lassie as the daylight was dawning. She was asking the road to sweet Carnlough Bay. Says I, my wee lassie, I can well tell you the number of miles or how far it may be. But if you will consent, I'll convey you a wee bit. Then I'll show you the road to sweet Carnlough Bay. You turn to the right and pass down by the churchyard, cross over the river and down by the sea. We'll call in at Patamo's and have a wee drop there, just to help us along to sweet Carnlough Bay. Here's a health to Patamo's, likewise the wee lassie, and every laddie that's listening to me. And ne'er turn your back on a bonny wee lassie when she's asking the road to sweet Carnlough Bay. When winter was brawling o'er high hills and mountains, and dark were the clouds o'er the deep rolling sea,